Martha Chamatidi ahumuza akafijo bwanyuma yo kwirukanyizwa mu irwariro rya Kampala International Hospital muri Kampala. Ogwa ferira ha myaka ya 23 y'obukuru kandi bwabire yaheza kujwara degree.
Izo kintu mu bugwaho. Yitwa yowese. Kwa toro jono ngo batoro. Kibisa.
Kurujira harishe Saith Murari omuharafire bwanyuma yeshagama okutaho mbongo.
Konka mwana muto w'imyaka nkejo fatyo sasa munonga. Tubazire bashija tushasha. Konka hariyo watu irenda emezi mwenda akazara korra akajweka kashomesa mwana ko murugo munga akagenda nacyo gisasa munonga.
Konka tandaka tahembera. Neke nacyo kije kuba wahanga natshitsi. Tuja kushika. Nja kushanga twabaha twashika twashemerwa twatera idongo twabaji.
Konka nyamwe bikorwa abantu bateye mu gasho bateye n'iki bakomanze. Tukushanga umwana w'umuntu afire abantu bajya turira twine ebironda hamutuma katandika gukora ikintu nk'iki. Bakatandika kugambe ebitaromo masa abakomanya nyuma abo mwana murunje mukisha bano basakuba kugira umutima murunje konko muntu barakurebe nawe ahungi
beine nyina bagamba hari mwene nyina nko muntu obire nabageyita nkeka.
Was mother and sister. She would never miss any visitation of mine. Your mother was supposed to be visitation at school. Mother had already promised me that she was coming.
I took her as a blessing in my life. But she has gone.
I don't even know what to say and what not to say, but Mother, I lost a sister, but I believe I gained an angel. Please watch over me. I love you.
Martha bari umukozi wanje bari umukozi wetu ababona bibakorana Martha mwini tubashaba mu mutishabire abako abantu abije kumushendekereza n'umwije ko doni mugenda mutaha kokito abantu bamuri bakasheshe.
Okuziko kwa ebembera Reverend Canon Newton Baryeja owabiraho mukuru w'ebyo kushaba ombureberezi bwa Ankole.
No mukaza kagenda. Mama! Rahanga ya tambira. Ndagendere. Ninyenda kubagambira abantu bamukama abayobozi n'icyo bagambire kunazo mushuka. Bomushenja bomusakara bami nkamugira ati you are joking. Atkoro n'umushinga kigambo ja. Ati kigambo cyure narwe nyuma y'abana our man n'ije mwana our man. Ekifa mutuma kije our man.
Gasha kwa Ali Waswa.